Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 8 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 3, the daffodils. SLOs of this lesson are deduce meaning of difficult words from context, making request and seeking permission. Look here, the page number 32 of your textbook. We have a vocabulary section here. You have to deduce the meaning of the following words. Confirm your meaning from the dictionary. What you need to do, you have to open your dictionary and find the meaning of these words. Glee, bliss, twinkle, sparkling, margin and never ending. The section B here, which word of the poem means the same as glance, happy feeling, deep thought, blessing, number of daffodils. Okay, these are the meanings of those words which are given in your poem. You have to find out those words which have these meaning. Like here, deep thought. Deep thought is the meaning of what? Yes, pensive mood. So you have to find the words which have, you have to find those words which have these meanings here. Glance, happy feeling, blessing, number of daffodils. I have done this one for you. The pensive mood, deep thought, the word for it is given in the poem is the pensive mood. So you have to find the other words too from the given poem. The page number 32 here, listening and speaking section we have here, making request or seeking permission. Make groups of 4 and practice the following dialogues to make request. Help from a neighbor. So, we have a dialogue here between 4 people. You have to practice it. Look here the dialogues. Help from a neighbor. Mr. Saif Khalid, I'm sorry to trouble you at this early hour, but I need your help urgently. Mr. Khalid, certainly, how can I help? Mr. Saif, Anam has had a bad fall. She hit her head on something sharp. She's bleeding profusely. I think she will need some stitches. Could you rush us to a hospital, please? Mr. Khalid, give me a moment, I will be there. Mr. Saif, thanks very much. So, see here, I'm sorry, how can I help? Certainly, please. Thanks very much. This is a what? A formal conversation here. We have discussed the difference of formal and informal in your previous class too. So this dialogues is in formal mood here. Now look the second one here. Taking advice on cooking. Saira, hi Komal, how are you? Komal, I am well, thank you Saira. Saira, I have been calling you but the lines just doesn't connect when needed most. Komal, anything urgent? Sorry, nothing really. Father has called some colleagues over for dinner. I thought I will try out 1 or 2 of your special dishes. You know I'm not much of a cook. Komal, come on Sarah, what are you planning to serve? Sarah, I thought I will try my hand at some Chinese cooking. Komal, you can borrow my recipe book and follow the recipe precisely. Sarah, thanks Komal, you are really saved the day. So now, this conversation here is between 2 friends here. This is informal, totally informal. You can see, hi, how are you? The contraction, the short form of I have and I have. You see the contraction here, the apostrophe and the short form of 2 words here. This is the clue of informal writing. We write words in a short form in a informal writing by writing them in contraction here. I am. So this is the way of informal talking. So look here, the third one here. Help from a teacher. Reena, good morning ma'am. Teacher, good morning. Reena ma'am, I need some help. Teacher, yes, what is it? Reena ma'am, I have a few problems in mathematics. Can I come to you for a few minutes? Teacher, come any day after the lunch break. I will be in the staff room. Reena, thank you ma'am. Here, this conversation is between a teacher and a student, and this is totally formal. You can see the good morning in a in a very respectful manner, in a very polite way they are talking. So did you feel the difference? These two are the formal here and this one is the informal here. You can see the difference of language. Here you can see this seeking permission and request. So you have to practice a dialogue to make request someone. You can practice it at your home with your siblings, with your cousins, your other family members. This is your home task from summer pack. Write an essay on the following topic and tell from which silo this question has been taken. Water of irrigation. You have to write about it, the essay. Organize your ideas and thoughts in sentences or in paragraph and write a proper essay on this. I hope you will do it and enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.